Today I am making my famous beef tostadas. Mwah! Delicioso. Hey guys, welcome back to Belqi's Twist. I am so excited today. Wait a minute. You know, I feel like I open up every single episode saying the same thing, but the truth is I am always excited to bring you a new recipe. And today I am especially excited though, because I am making for you my famous beef tostadas. They are really loved in my family, especially when we have a gathering. I have it usually as appetizer and people just love it. So it started because I wanted to do something a little bit different than just a typical taco. So I got ground beef, 85%, because I like my fat. And I started just to season it with a little bit of my Dominican seasoning, and it turned out amazingly good. So of course, everyone loves it. I would put it over tostadas or Boston lettuce, which is also butter lettuce, and it's really nice and tender, and it really goes well with the beef. So it worked out really, really well for me. And then eventually, of course, we're putting it on flour tortillas, corn tortillas. Absolutely delicious. So one of the things that I actually do as well, and I started doing recently, you put the beef, or let's say you even have chicken with something else, and you just put, you know, the beef in there, maybe some cheese or other ingredients that you want. You roll it over, you take a toothpick, and you fry it. That's it. And then it's absolutely delicious. But if you do make the flauta or taquito, make sure that you're careful on your first bite, because man, is it hot in there, and that will burn your tongue, trust me. So also, when you make this, it's wonderful too, because you can make it ahead. Like I normally make it about an hour before my company arrives, and I put it in my slow cooker on warm, and it stays there wonderfully perfect for 4 to 5 hours. Every once in a while though, I go and I stir it to make sure the juices kind of flow and the beef doesn't get dry. But in any other way, all I can tell you is this is perfect, and you're going to want to make this all the time, especially when you have parties, because people just can assemble whatever they want, however they want it, on whatever they want it. So enough talking. I'm just going to show you how I make it right now.